Guys, I just wound up putting a brand new seat cover on to match the interior that I have here. This was an eBay $45 special versus the $300 real leather seat cushion. Real leather don't matter. So now it looks like that. I didn't put any of the retaining clips in it because I'm trying to make this allow it to slide around a little bit more and have a little more forgivingness right here on the edge, and hoping that it lasts me a couple years. If it doesn't, oh well, it's $45. I'll go put another one on. It's super easy to do. It took me about maybe 45 minutes total. I used a 3/8 for this torque because I didn't have the torque for it, so I just used a 3/8 socket and stuck it on it, and it worked just fine. Other than that, it's brand spanking new, man. Not even been used yet, not even sat on. So beautiful. Good way to do the interior. And after I did, I actually wound up shampooing back here. And got all the stains out on the back seat there, and all the coffee that was dripped on the side here, it's gone. Just the rust marks are left, and a little bit of the stain right there, which is not bad. I mean, this is 20-year-old interior almost, so you know, you got to keep it in mind that I got a little boo-boo there on my leather seat. It's kind of made me a little PO'd, but it's from a skateboard. The tape on the skateboard deck to stop me from slipping. But anyway, this is my new seat. I'm about to go put it back in, the 4 bolts, and put my clips back in. But other than that, guys, it's super easy. The best thing to do is just take off, there's 2 bolts here. Let's see, right there, you see those little silver U-shaped things? You're gonna see a bolt there, it's an 8mm, and a bolt over there, that's an 8mm. Once you take your seat off, you just take those 2 bolts off, and the whole bottom piece comes right off. Once that comes off, then you got to take a bunch of C-clips, which are basically, I don't know if I can find one around here. They're not really C-clips, they're like O-rings that they squeeze together. Oh, right here. And then they go around these rods here that are inside the back of the seat, right here, that go through these little sleeves. These little collars, whatever you call them. And then the bars go in here like so, and then each one of these notches, you get one of these rings that clip onto another bar inside the seat frame. Well, like I said, I didn't put them on because I want this to be able to move around a little bit in hopes that it really helps with the amount of forgiving that it is, because when this is super tight, it holds that cushion real tight like that, and then not just sitting on it and sitting on it, it ruins it. So if it's loose, it has a chance to actually squish over and pull from over here instead of pulling from right here at the stitching and then wearing out a lot faster. So hopefully that'll work. Other than that, it is still the Jeep cushions, and this is great because super easy fix, guys. Peace out.